Task number 6, System and Network Information. PowerShell was created to address a growing need for a powerful automation and management tool to help system administrators and IT professionals. As such, it offers a range of CMDLets that allows the retrieval of detailed information about system configuration and network settings. The Get Computer Info CMDlet retrieves comprehensive system information, including operating system information, hardware specifications, BIOS details, and more. It provides a snapshot of the entire system configuration in a single command. Its traditional counterpart system info retrieves only a small set of the same details. Here we see just a part of the information retrieved after using Get Computer Information. Essential for managing user accounts and understanding the machine security configuration, Get Local User lists all the local user accounts on the system. The default output displays for each user, username, account status, and description, as you can see over here. Similar to the traditional ipconfig command, the following two CMDLets can be used to retrieve detailed information about the system's network configuration. Get Net IP configuration provides detailed information about the network interface on the system, including IP addresses, DNS servers, and gateway configurations. You can see them over here. In case we need specific details about the IP address assigned to the network interfaces, the Get Net IP address CMDLet will show details for all IP addresses configured on the system, including those that are not currently active. As you can see, by using GetNet IP address, you can see a ton of information. These CMDLets give IT professionals the ability to quickly access crucial system and network information directly from the command line, making it easier to monitor and manage both local and remote machines. Answer the questions below. Other than the current user and the default administrator account, what other user is enabled on the target machine? Pirate. All right. This lad was hidden his account among the others with no regards for our beloved captain. What is the motto he was so bluntly put as his account's description? A merry life and a short one. Now a small challenge to put it all together. This shady lad that we just found hidden among the local users has his own home folder in C users directory. Can you navigate to the file system and find the hidden treasure inside this pirate's home? We'll use this command. Write down from path C users, I think. Yeah, and then pirate hidden treasure over here. And then you use this command. Path from here. Actually, it's not here. Actually, not captain, it's pirate, hidden, and then big one. This is it. Actually, we'll go to this. There you go. Pearl in Ash. Pearl in a shell. Awesome.